Hi, welcome to the We Are Researching YouTube channel. In the second part of Metaverse Land video, I will talk about the three most important sites in this field. As you know, with the recent technological developments, the virtual world has started to take a much more place in our lives. But none of them was as ambitious as the Metaverse. The internet world, which we see as virtual in the future, may now be our real world. In the future, we may spend most of our time in this new universe, the Metaverse. People have already started buying lands in this new universe and people are starting to make plans to build a life here. Let's look at the three most important sites in this field. The first and the most famous of these is Decentraland. According to the latest news, the Canadian investment company bought virtual lands worth $2.5 million through Decentraland. So what is this Decentraland where such big investments are made? When you enter to the website of Decentraland, here you can create an identity for yourself or visit this site as a guest. You can do different activities in the metaverse here through the avatar you created. You can be friends with different people here and talk to them and do different activities together. With the VR glasses to be made in the future, it is tried to create a universe that will allow you to feel every activity you do here and have a real experience. It is planned that you will have opportunities to work and earn money here. After clicking on Marketplace and then click on Land, lands will appear in front of you. The currency unit used in Decentraland is called mana. You can view and purchase the parcels by clicking on the appropriate parcels. To examine these parcels, click on the jump in option after clicking on them. In this way, you have the opportunity to see the land without buying it. The second important project related to Metaverse Land is Sandbox. After clicking on the buy land option, you can see the lands on the screen. Unlike Decentraland, the currency unit here is sand. Similarly, you can examine the plots here before buying. You can create an avatar as in Decentraland. You can talk to your friends, hang around and work here. Sandbox promises a kind of virtual paradise for the future. The third important project related to Metaverse Land is OVR. After entering the site, click on the Buy OVR Land option. You can see the plots here. After buying a land here, you can build a three-dimension city here. Similarly, you can make various other investments that are considered to be of great value in the future. In OVR, as in Decentraland and Sandbox, you can make your own avatar. In this way, you can experience face-to-face conversation with your friends in the Metaverse universe. OVR continues to work on this. They enhance both the Metaverse universe and its playgrounds, excitingly increasing the capacity to experience. Here you can buy overland or build. Projects related to the Metaverse continue to increase. In one of our next video, I am going to talk about NFT, which is going to be popular in the Metaverse. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want videos like this to come, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video, comment and click the bell for new videos.